Alright, so excuse the interruption. I just wanted to quickly talk about some of the next clips that you're going to see throughout the rest of the video. And that's me using different pads on different parts of the car. And that's simply because every single panel on this vehicle, for some reason or another, reacted differently to the pad and polish combination that I used during my testing. So I tested out this pad right here, which is a Lake Country orange foam pad. And I used Koch Chemie H9 as my compound. And on the hood, which was my test panel, the results were great. I got anywhere from 70 to 80% defect removal. However, as you see here, that's nowhere near the amount of defect removal as I received when I did my test pass on the hood. So I had to bump it up, use a different pad and polish combination. So as you can see here, I used Lake Country's purple wool pad, and I was able to achieve these results. However, that came at the cost of the haziness and cloudiness that you see in the finish, which is not what we want as detailers. We want to have a great finish to give that depth and that clarity and that gloss on the paint. So after trying a couple of different other combinations, I finally ended up going with Griot's Garage microfiber pad with the same compound, Koch Chemie H9, but I also added a dab or two of Sonax Perfect Finish, and that actually gave me the finish that I was looking for. So for example, this hood, this roof right here, I was able to get a great finish with the purple wool pad. So it reacted differently than the fender did, which was okay by me. I didn't mind. However, other parts of the car, the majority of the other parts of the car, they didn't react all that well. So I ended up using, once again, the Griot's Garage microfiber pad with those two compounds and polishes. And by the way, if you're still here and you're listening to me babble on, thank you for the support. I appreciate it. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. And I'm back with the second and final interruption, I promise. What you see me doing here is just unpackaging a brand new bottle of G-Technic Crystal Serum Light, which is the coating that we applied to this car. But I just wanted to jump right in and let you guys know that I unfortunately was not able to find any of the other footage that I took of this car. I specifically remember capturing the footage for the coating process, showing off how the ceramic coating kind of does like a rainbowing effect or oil spill effect when it's ready to be leveled out and wiped down. And for the life of me, I can't find the rest of the footage. I checked every PC, every laptop, every storage device that I have, and unfortunately I couldn't find it, and that's my fault, so I apologize. I promise going forward I will take better care, just simply better care of my footage going forward, so I can give you guys from beginning to end a full detail. But the best that I could do is what you see in here, and this is kind of just some footage that I shot for the client, just to give them a heads up, let them know how the car is doing while the car cured overnight and was ready for pickup the following day. So I'll leave you with this, some before and after shots as well. And once again, I apologize. And once again, if you're still sticking in here, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I'll be able to put out another video soon. Take care.